When I first tried myGLP, I had a need to eat, not a want to eat.
Thrive normally gives me mental clarity, but this gave me like super mental clarity, just over the top focus.
When I tried myGLP capsules, it helped my appetite control. It was amazing.
Normally between meals I get shaky, but with taking myGLP, I didn't have the shakiness and feel the need to be eating food that I didn't need.
I'm stoked for my GLP!
I love myGLP.
Don't doubt yourself. Utilize this product. You do not have an opportunity if you don't have a fantastic product.
You already know this company hits a home run with everything they do. That's why you have your name tied to it. That's why you're here today. That's why you're taking the time to dial in. We are so stinking stoked to see what this is going to do for the legacy you're all going to leave for your family.
I'm so stoked.
It's going to be awesome. I'm stoked for myGLP.
myGLP.
We love GLP!